So find length of major and minor axis, eccentricity, cosine, length of latus rectum, equations of latus rectum, equations of directrices, coordinates of ends of latus rectum, distance between foci, distance between directrices of the ellipse, x square by 36 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1 here. So comparing this equation with here, comparing, so this equation with x square divided by a square, then plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So a square is 36 here. So a square is equal to 36 and b square is equal to 16 here. B square value 16, then a value 6 and b value is 4. Therefore in this case a is greater than b. A value 6, b value 4, a greater than b. Then if a greater than b, then the major axis is the x axis here, minor axis is the y axis. Means ellipse is in this direction here. Okay, ellipse is in this direction. So now use the formulas here. Means the coordinates and equations according to this ellipse here. Therefore here x axis is the major axis. So length of the major axis is 2a. Then a value is 6 here. 6 2s are 12 here. Therefore that is equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Length of the minor axis is 2b. B value 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 18. And the eccentricity square is equal to 1 minus of b square divided by a square. So this is the formula. B square value is 16 here. 1 minus of 16 divided by a square is 36. So right here 36 here. Therefore 36 is the LCM here. 36 ones are 36 minus of 16 here. So it gives 20 divided by 36 here. 20 divided by 36. Then you can divide here. 4 5s are 4 5s are. Then 4 9s are 36. Therefore E square is 5 by 9 here. Therefore E is equal to root 5 divided by square root of 9 is 3. Therefore eccentricity is root 5 divided by 3. Then the foci are foci lays on x axis here. Therefore plus or minus a into e comma 0. This is a formula. Therefore this is equal to plus or minus a value 6 here. So write here 6 into root 5 divided by 3 comma 0. A value 6, e value root 5 by 3. Then 3 ones are 3 2s are cancels here. Plus or minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Plus or minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Then the length of the latus rectum formula is 2b square divided by a. Then 2 into b square is 16 here. So write here 16 and a value 6. So write here 6. Then 2 ones are 2 threes are cancels here. So 16 divided by 3. So length of the latus rectum is 16 by 3. Then equations of latus rectum. Equations of lateral rectum. So x is equal to plus or minus a into e plus or minus a into e. So you know here a into e, a into e is the 2 root of 5. Therefore I can write here. So that is x is equal to plus or minus 2 root of 5. Okay, a value 6, e value root 5 by 3. So simplify we get 2 root 5. So plus or minus 2 root of 5. Then the equations of direct traces are x is equal to plus or minus a divided by e. That is plus or minus a value 6 here. So write here 6 and e value root 5 by 3. Root 5 divided by 3. Take 3 to numerator. 6 3s are 18 here. Plus or minus 18 divided by root of 5. Plus or minus 18 by root 5. Then the coordinates of ends of the letter are entire. Therefore, here you can take here. Okay, AE plus or minus b square by a, b square by a. That is a into e. So a into e is obviously 2 root 5. 2 root of 5. Then b square divided by, so look here, b square by a. That is a 16 by 3. 16 upon 3, 6 here. So therefore 16 upon 6. 16 divided by 6. That is a plus or minus here. Plus or minus. So 2 root 5. Plus or minus 2 8s are 2 3s are 8 upon 3. 8 divided by 3. Okay, and here these two means this point as well as this point is L and L dash. Then there is one more data structure here. So L1 dash here. In this case, coordinates are so minus of AE, comma plus or minus b square divided by a plus or minus b square point. Therefore, here minus 2 root 5 minus of 2 root of 5 minus of 8 upon 3 plus or minus 8 divided by 3. Next, the distance between a foci is 2a into e. Then 2 into here e into is 2 root 5. 2 root of 5. E into is 2 root 5. 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 5. And the distance between direct traces here 2a divided by e. Then 2 into a value of 6 here divided by e value root 5 by 3 here. Root 5 divided by 3. This 3 goes to the numerator. 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36 here. So 36 divided by root of 5. So therefore in the examination they may ask any 1 here. For 1 marks they may ask any 2 for 2 marks here, and they may ask any 4 for the 4 marks here. Therefore you should know all the formulas here. You should know all the formula, then only you can write each and every thing here. So just take a previous example here. Second equation is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 here. Comparing this equation with the standard equation, so a square is 16 and b square is 9 here. Then a value is 4, b value is 3. Obviously a greater than b. Then x axis is the major axis, y axis is the minor axis here. Therefore, A value 4 here. Length of the major axis becomes 2 into 4 is equal to 8 here. And the length of the minor axis here 2 into 3. Then the 3 2s are 6 here. These are 6. Then eccentricity is given by 1 minus half. Here B square is 9 here. Divided by A square is 16. Therefore, this equal to 16 LCM. So 16 minus half 9. So 7 divided by 16. Therefore, eccentricity is equal to root 7 divided by 4 here. Eccentricity is root 7 divided by 4. Then the foci plus or minus e comma 0 plus or minus a value 4. So right here 4 into root 7 by 4 here. Root of 7 by 4 comma 0. 4 and 4 cancels here. So we get a plus or minus root 7 comma 0. So A into E. A into E is a root of 7 comma 0. Length of the lattice vector is 2 into B square by A. B square value 9 here. Divided by A value 4. 2 ones or 2 twos are cancels here. So it gives 9 divided by 2. 9 upon 2. Then equations of vector are rectangle. Therefore, a plus or minus A into E. Here you know A into E is equal to root 7 here. So you can write here x is equal to plus or minus root of 7. Equations of direct traces here. Plus or minus A upon E. A value 4 divided by. So E value root of 7 by 4. Root 7 divided by 4 here. Take 4 to numerator here. So plus or minus 16 divided by root of 7 here. So 16 by root 7. Then the coordinates of ends of a letter rectangle. So A into E. You know A into E is the root of 7. So right here root 7 here. Then the plus or minus B square by A. So B square is 9, A value 2 here. B square 9 here, A value 4. Therefore 9 by 4 here. So plus or minus 9 divided by 4. So similarly, minus A plus or minus B square by A. So A into A is the root 7 here. Minus of root 7 plus or minus 9 divided by 4 here. Distance between the foci 2 A into E. So 2 root of 7 here. A into E is root 7. Then this is equal to distance between direct traces here. A value 4. So right here 4 divided by eccentricity root 7 by 4. Root of 7 divided by 4. Take 4 to numerator. 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32 here. 32 divided by root of 7 here. It gives the distance between direct traces here.